welcome back to the Styles UK YouTube channel. Today we've got the fourth and final video for you on the new products for TriDri's Autumn Winter 24 launch. And today we're talking all about the new joggers, and I can't wait to show you these.
So these are the TR605, so these are our unisex recycled joggers. So again, recycled with 100% post-consumer waste, so i.e. water bottle. These have a lovely, nice, relaxed fit with a fleece lining. They have an elasticated waist and cuffs. They also have buttonhole eyelet stitches, and you have a lovely cord with painted metal on there. The sizes on these start from extra small and go up to 3XL.
They look and feel so premium. I cannot express enough how much of like a luxury product these feel like. With the fleece lining, the matching colours on the waistband highs, just everything about these is perfect. So with a bit of decoration, you could easily sell these for a significant profit markup, and that's exactly what we're going to show you how to do today. So we're going to jump on over to the heat press and show you how you can decorate just like this. So firstly, load your power platen on. This is set to 120 degrees. And then we're going to take the joggers. I'm just going to thread them on to the press, and I can already feel the heat coming through these joggers, so there's no need to pre-press this. That's already being preheated as we speak. Then I'm going to take my ultra color heat transfer. So again, low temp, 120 degree fuse time. Place that on where you want it. And then we're going to take our grip flex, which is a thicker rubber sheet. Then we bring this heat press back over. The top is set to 110 degrees, so we're putting less heat through the top and more heat through the bottom of the joggers, and that's going to fuse for 12 seconds, just like any standard ultra color application. Once it's finished, the press will move away. Pull the joggers off, and we're just going to set these to the side to cool down. So now our joggers have cooled, we can place them on a flat surface. You want to make sure that this transfer goes completely cold before you peel it. One corner to the other, one swift, smooth motion, just like that. And there you have your finished product. And that's how easy it is to decorate these brand new joggers from TriDri. They are, honestly, they feel super premium with the ultra color print on them. It has such a soft, buttery finish to it. And in combination with this premium, high quality product, it really is going to be a great addition to add to your product range. So thank you, Lauren, so much for joining me for this video and for this series as well, giving everyone an exclusive look at all of the brand new products. Really appreciate it.
Thank you for having us. And as I mentioned before, all of our products are available on rollwise.com.
And as always, for anything decoration related, head online to styles.co.uk, whether that be presses, transfers, accessories, hacks, anything like that. And we'll be back very soon with another heat printing video.